Hello colleagues, today I'm gonna show you how we can work with Autodesk by using testIT system. So on this system we get three ways how we can work with the code, with Autodesk functions and else. First way, you can use clients libraries. Also you can find it on testIT repository in GitHub. Here you can find epclient.net, Autodesk integration with Java, Python, testIT loader adapter and more. By using functions in your code, you can pull all of this information in this system, collect it here, and create your own test run by using your code. Second way, we can build our Autodesk by using UI of the system or using API of the system. So also we get here public API documentation. If I click on this button, I was going Swagger. Here we can see API methods like for Autodesk, create Autodesk, we get example value, we get schema here, so I can look what of fields I get here, what of type of fields, what of information I need on this request, and more. What of this? That's Autodesk card. So for example, that like functions from your code site, like login, create project, go to configuration project, and more. Also, we can see in those cards what of tests we was coverage, what of information we get here, what of results by those Autodesk, and share link with our colleagues. After we create this Autodesk card, if we want to build it by using our UI, we need link Autodesk and case. So we can do this by using API methods, name of request link Autodesk to work item. Here we need to use our identification of Autodesk card and test case or checklist. After this, in the header of case, you can see he was automated, and you can find what of Autodesk was coverage this case. After you do it, you go on test plan, create your test plan, test suite, go on execution model, click on the highest checkbox. You can filter by automated type if you need it. And here I see I got 87 automated case in my test plan. So after I click on this button, I was create new test run in my system, and my hook by using trigger Autodesk run was created. Go on those address Jenkins, use those parameters, send body if I customize it, and on the Jenkins side we start a new job. Autodesk go here, and on the run Autodesk model we get those results in a real time back in a system. For example, let's looking like we go here, open our old test run, cancel new test run. Here we can find our results, how it's going on. We can rerun it by using manual way. For example, I reset result, go in my auto tests, and just click my results manually. After I choose my result by header, in launch history I can see how I get this result by using Autodesk or by using manual way. Also, if I got some failed results, skipped or blocked, I can just filter by using those blocks. Click on the highest checkbox here and just rerun my test run. Also, I can analyze it in a launch history model. Launch history model, we can see how many test run we was create in our system, for example, on those project. So I can go in there, I can filter in by my status, I can go in all of my Autodesk here, open, see what of results I've got, what of attachments from code site I got, what of assert I got here. I can choose case of failure, like product defect, auto test defect, or infrastructure defect. Or maybe I wanna look on my results by those auto tests. And also I can create those test runs by using API methods. So for example, here we get hands for working with test runs without using test plan and link our auto tests card and tests. So I can create my empty test run, pull new information in it, update it again, choose start, stop, or complete those test run, or maybe I want to pull some historical information in those test run. After I create it, I can find it in my launch history model. After you're doing all of those steps, for example, you can go on dashboard model, create, for example, bar chart by automation type, all test plan, or just one automation type. See your filters here by projects, test plans, test runs, and else. See how many results you get by manual way or automated, or how many auto tests you get in your system or in those projects. So by header it's all. It's glad to see you here and have a good time.